Guys, welcome back to another video. Landon, what are we doing?
Today we are going to be taking some hydrochloric acid and throwing some diamonds in there to see whether they will hold up to it. Alright guys, we've got our setup complete. We're going to be putting the acid in this tote. The first test, we're going to be dropping this little iPod that my sister has lent us. We're going to see what it does. I'm expecting there to be a potential battery chemical reaction for sure. And then we're going to be testing this aluminum can right before we test the diamond.
Alright guys, sorry about the audio, but here goes nothing. Gonna try to do this without spilling. Okay. Hi.
Alright, here goes the iPod.
Here goes the iPod. iPod is holding up pretty good, surprisingly.
Okay, should we add the Red Bull can?
Yeah. Gonna put a little bit more.
We absolutely destroyed that Red Bull can. It is gone. It is out of existence. We got smoked out from the hydrochloric gases. I think it is now time to actually go for the diamond. So we have this smaller petri dish, and we're going to do our best to show you, but the gas is bad, and I'm not trying to put the camera that close, so we will be using the GoPro again. We're going to use this. We're going to see, again, we have our diamonds right here, and we're going to get the acid in here and see what this does. So Landon, you are up.
We're getting ready to test the diamond. If you haven't done so already, like, subscribe so we can keep doing more of these videos. Isn't a lot of reaction going on. This is aluminum, and aluminum is known to react with this. As you can see, it's starting to bubble. But yeah, as for the diamond, no action whatsoever. The diamond does not seem to be reacting. I can see a few bubbles on this side, but I'm not sure if there's any actual interaction happening. But here's some aluminum. I'm just going to show that this is in fact acid. Yeah, because this immediately starts interacting. Yeah, it's dissolving this aluminum.
Alright guys, this did not work because diamond is in a very stable chemical structure, which makes it very difficult for hydrochloric acid to initiate a reaction, because diamond just lacks those reactive sites that are needed to create any sort of chemical reaction. We still have all of this acid left. If you have any ideas on how we could use it or do any cool experiments, please let us know down in the comments. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video. And then let's drop this down here.